Hi guys, today we are headed over to Portsmouth, which is a little island about 3 or 4 miles off of Ocracoke, where we are now, where we've been for about a week. And we're going to head over there. There's a private beach. There is a little ghost town, and we're going to check it out. I am headed right now to get an umbrella because we do not have a beach umbrella. And the other day we were at the beach, I was burning up and really overheated. So let's take you for a ride. Portsmouth, the small, now deserted village on this remote island, was once a bustling seaport. North Carolina's colonial legislature chartered Portsmouth in 1953 to serve coastal trade, and for more than 100 years it was one of the most important ports on the East Coast. But the Civil War and the opening of other inlets on the Carolina coast reduced Portsmouth's importance. The town evolved into a small fishing port, but eventually died when the last two villagers left in 1971. Every year, an untold number of people died in shipwrecks off of the U.S. coast. In North Carolina, the great shoals reaching out to the sea from its 3 capes were death traps lying across busy sea lanes. In storms, a grounded ship could quickly break up under the relentless pounding of the sea. Crew and passengers often had little hope for the survival, earning for the North Carolina coast the name Graveyard Atlantic. In 1878, following 2 tragedies at sea that claimed over 180 lives, Congress established a U.S. life-saving service. 3 stations were authorized along the Atlantic coast to be manned by a professional corps of rescuers.
Put the old life-saving boats right in here. Channel. Go all the way out.
Washington Roberts' house was built around 1850. It's one of the oldest surviving houses in Portsmouth. This was a storm house braced to withstand the worst storms and provide a safe haven for the neighbors. The Roberts family rented it and raised their 7 children here. Over its last 3 decades, Portsmouth slowly faded, yielding to natural and economic forces. Remembering the hurricanes, one resident said, "People were just tired of losing everything they had once and sometimes twice a year." After the school closed in 1943, families who had clung to island life knew it was time to go. The last residents left in 1971. Every year, former residents and their families, descendants of Portsmouth, gather at the local church in Portsmouth as a celebration.
That's cool.
You ring the church bell.
I do too.
A lot of people said that storms is what killed Portsmouth. That is not true. Portsmouth died because nobody stayed to keep it going. That was a lot of fun.
That's cool. Yeah.
I'm exhausted.
Yeah, me too.
That ride was bumpy.
Yeah, I need some ice cream. Well, it's like 4 miles in between the 2 islands,
Yes.
so there's enough water there to get all stirred up by the wind and get some waves. So.
Yeah, and it was really cool because we, at some parts, some views, we couldn't see anything except water, and we're on a dinghy.
And we just fly.
Fly!
Faster than the boat.
I know, we were.
Oh, yeah.
How fast were we going? 10? 20?
Maybe.
We were going over the speed limit of this little island.
Maybe 20, 15, 20 knots. Maybe.
Cool.
Something like that. Yeah, we're cruising. Cruising.
We were cruising.
Cruising.
Right. Do you want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
See you next time.
With love as our guiding star, we go with the flow.
with the flow.